In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude specific labels in Jira using JQL. If your issue board or roadmap is cluttered with tickets tied to an old experiment, a vendor tag, or any label you no longer want to see, this method can help you clean things up quickly. Instead of manually sorting through issue after issue, you can use Jira's advanced search to hide those labels with precision and keep your boards, dashboards, and saved filters much easier to work with. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to your Jira cloud site. Sign into your workspace if needed, then wait for the main dashboard to load completely. Once you're in, go to the top navigation area, select Filters, and then choose Advanced Issue Search. This opens the search workspace where you can build a more precise filter. When the issue search page appears, Jira may open in its basic search mode by default. That view is useful for simple filtering, but for this task, we want full control. Move to the search area and click Switch to JQL or use the code icon if that's what appears in your version. Once you do that, the visual fields collapse into a single text-based query box. That's where we'll enter the filter logic. Click inside the JQL editor and type your query to exclude one specific label. The format is project equals your project key, and labels does not equal the unwanted label. If your project includes issues where the labels field is empty, there's a safer version to use. In that case, include a condition that also allows labels that are empty. That prevents Jira from unintentionally leaving out unlabeled issues. If you want to exclude several labels at the same time, there's a faster option. Instead of writing multiple separate conditions, use the not in operator. Type your project condition first, then follow it with labels not in, and list the labels you want to exclude inside parentheses. This is especially helpful when you're cleaning up a board affected by several old tags at once. After your results look right, save the filter so you can reuse it later. Above the query area, click Save Filter. In the filter name field, enter a short, clear title that explains what the filter does, then click Save. A simple descriptive name makes it easier to find later when attaching it to boards or dashboards. Before you finish, take a moment to review the results in the issue list below the query. Look at the labels column and confirm that the unwanted labels no longer appear in the returned issues. This final check helps make sure your filter is working exactly as intended. That's it. You now have a clean, reusable Jira filter that removes unwanted labels and makes project tracking much easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.